Hey there and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll be discussing why everyone should learn to code and how to get started. Coding has become an essential skill in today's digital age, and whether you're interested in pursuing a career in tech or simply want to better understand the technology you use every day, learning to code is a valuable investment of your time. So let's get started. Section 1. Why should everyone learn to code? There are countless reasons why everyone should learn to code, but we'll highlight the most important ones. 1. Coding is a valuable skill in today's job market. With technology rapidly advancing, coding skills are in high demand across various industries. From software development to finance to healthcare, coding skills can help you land high-paying jobs in diverse fields. 2. Coding helps you understand the world around you. Technology is everywhere, and knowing how to code helps you better understand the technology you use every day. By learning to code, you can build your own websites, apps, and software, and gain a deeper understanding of how the technology you use works. 3. Coding promotes problem-solving skills. Coding requires you to break down complex problems into smaller, more manageable parts. This promotes critical thinking and problem-solving skills that can be applied to various aspects of life. 4. Coding can boost your creativity. Coding allows you to create something from scratch, whether it's a website, app, or game. This encourages you to think outside the box and find creative solutions to problems. 5. Coding teaches you perseverance. Coding can be challenging, and it often requires a lot of trial and error. By learning to code, you develop resilience and the ability to persist through difficult tasks. 6. Coding enhances your communication skills. Coding requires you to communicate your ideas and thought processes clearly and concisely. This skill can transfer to other areas of your life, such as work or personal relationships. Section 2. How to get started with coding? Now that you know why it's important to learn to code, let's discuss how to get started. 1. Choose a language. There are dozens of programming languages out there, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Choose a language based on your goals and interests. For example, if you want to build websites, you might start with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. 2. Find resources. There are plenty of resources available to help you learn to code. From online tutorials to coding bootcamps, find resources that work for you and fit your learning style. 3. Practice. The key to becoming a proficient coder is to practice regularly. Start with simple projects and gradually build up to more complex ones. You can also join coding communities and participate in coding challenges to help you stay motivated. Conclusion. In conclusion, learning to code is an invaluable skill that can help you in various aspects of life. By understanding why it's important to learn to code and how to get started, you can take the first steps toward becoming a proficient coder. So what are you waiting for? Start learning to code today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.